With SurveyPro, you have the option to register preferred dates for the packing, shipping, unloading, and pre-shipment. Tap View All to see all the options available, or the pen icon to go directly to the section that you need. In this case, we have tapped View All. Tap Add Preference to add a date. You can choose one date or a range of dates and even the time of the day. Tap Done to save the dates. It will redirect you back to the planning page. You can add multiple preferred dates and leave a comment for it.